Have you ever had that moment of panic when your main source of customers suddenly dry up? Maybe your Google rankings tanked overnight, your Facebook ad account got suspended, or your referral network went quiet. Today I'm going to show you why putting all your marketing eggs in one basket is a dangerous game and exactly how to fix it before it's too late. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's a piece of wisdom that reminds us not to concentrate all of our efforts and resources into a single plan. And when it comes to marketing your small business, this advice isn't just wise, it's essential for survival. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I help small business owners leverage the power of strategic web design to grow their online presence and boost their bottom line. But today, we're talking about something that affects every aspect of your business growth, your marketing channel strategy. Let me paint a picture that might feel a little too familiar. Imagine you spent years building your business primarily through one marketing channel. Maybe you focus heavily on SEO to rank high in Google searches, or you've built your customer base almost exclusively through Facebook ads, or you rely primarily on word of mouth and referrals. And all these strategies can work brilliantly until they don't. Let's look at some real scenarios that happen all too often. First, consider what happens when Google changes their algorithm. This isn't hypothetical, it happens every year or two. The businesses that tried to game the system can see their traffic disappear literally overnight. Their search engine traffic dries up, and so does their income. Or think about businesses that rely solely on paid advertising. Let's use Facebook ads as an example. These companies might see tremendous success through their ad campaigns, but what happens when they stop spending or their ad account gets shut down? Their visibility vanishes immediately. The ads only appear when they're paying for them. And what about the businesses built entirely on referrals? They enjoy new customers coming in through recommendations from happy clients, which drives growth in sales. But what if those recommendations slow down for any reason? Perhaps due to market changes or a few unhappy customers. Sales would plummet with no backup plan in place. And the stats back this up. According to recent research, 76% of small business owners utilize at least 2 marketing channels in their overall marketing mix. They understand that diversification isn't just nice to have, it's essential for sustained growth. Now you might be thinking, but my current marketing channel is working fine. So why complicate things? Fair question. But let's talk about your return on investment. Companies that embrace advanced analytics and use multiple marketing channels report 5 to 8% and higher marketing ROI than those focusing on a single channel. That's real money you're leaving on the table. And then different channels also deliver different types of ROI. Email marketing provides an outstanding average of $40 to $42 for every $1 spent. Content marketing through blogging is going to give you about 13 times more positive ROI. And SEO delivers about $22.24 for every dollar invested. And by combining these channels, you're not just reducing risk, you're actually increasing your overall marketing effectiveness and the bottom line. So what does a diversified marketing approach actually look like? Let's map out the possibilities for your business. With online marketing, you have numerous options. You have SEO, which is search engine optimization. You can do paid advertising with Google ads or social media ads. You can do social media marketing, which is like organic posting and community building. Another option is email marketing campaigns. Content marketing such as blogging, videos, or podcasts. You can look into influencer partnerships or even online directories and review sites. But let's not forget about the traditional marketing methods that can still deliver results. Print advertising, direct mail, billboards and signage, TV or radio, community events, sponsorships, networking, and business partnerships. All of these still work great, but the key isn't to try everything at once. It's about putting a strategy in place and choosing complementary channels that reach your specific audience at different touch points along the journey. Let me walk you through how to actually implement a diversified marketing strategy without getting overwhelmed or diluting your efforts. Step 1. Audit your current marketing mix. Start by honestly assessing where all of your marketing efforts and budget are currently going. And then ask yourself, are you overly dependent on 1 or 2 channels? You're going to want to track exactly what percentage of your new business comes from each source. Step 2 is know your audience's habits. Different demographics consume media different. Your customers don't all think and act the same way. For an example, if you only focus on a local radio commercial, you're going to miss out on the potential customers who prefer to discover businesses online. According to research, 43% of consumers use social media to find new products in the past year. Meanwhile, 49% of businesses say that organic search brings the best marketing ROI, but different segments of your audience might be more active on different platforms. Step 3. Start with your strongest marketing channel, then add complementary ones. Don't abandon what's working, you're going to want to use that as your foundation. Then add one new channel at a time, preferably ones that complement your current strategy. For an example, if SEO is your strength, add content marketing to boost that SEO machine while also building authority. If paid ads work well for you, you can add retargeting and email marketing to capture and nurture leads who don't convert immediately. Step 4. Set clear metrics for each channel. Each marketing channel should have specific key performance indicators that make sense for that medium. For instance, email marketing can be measured by open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. SEO can be tracked by rankings, organic traffic, and leads from organic search. Social media metrics can include engagement, reach, and conversions from social traffic. Paid ads are measured by cost per click, cost per acquisition, and overall ROI. Step 5. You need to test, measure, and reallocate resources. This is where many businesses fail. They don't properly track their results. Companies that calculate their ROI are 1.6 times more likely to receive higher marketing budgets because they can prove what's working. You should start with a small budget on new channels, measure the results, and then gradually shift resources toward what delivers the best returns. Okay, so how do you know if you're too dependent on one marketing channel? You need to watch for these warning signs. Number 1, more than 70% of your business comes from a single source. Number 2, your sales fluctuate dramatically when you adjust spending on one channel. Number 3, you feel anxiety about algorithm changes or policy updates on platforms you use. Number 4, you've never seriously tested other marketing approaches. And number 5, you have no backup plan if your main marketing channel suddenly stopped working. Here's what I want you to do this week to begin diversifying your marketing. I want you to track exactly where your last 20 customers came from. Then, identify your most over-relied upon channel. After that, select one new complementary marketing channel to test. And then allocate 10 to 15% of your marketing budget or time on this new channel for the next 60 days. And when doing that, make sure you set specific metrics to track its performance. If you found this information valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more actionable business growth strategies. I'd love to hear in the comments which marketing channels are working best for your business right now and which ones you're planning to try. And if you'd like personalized guidance on building a diversified marketing strategy that integrates with a high converting website, visit my website at behurst.com, where you can book a free strategy call to discuss your specific situation. Now remember, the goal isn't about being everywhere. It's about being in enough places your business can thrive, even if one marketing channel fails. So, I'll leave you with this question. If your top marketing channel disappeared tomorrow, would your business survive? If the answer makes you nervous, it's time to start diversifying. Your future self will thank you for it.